Welcome students. In this class we will be working through March 2022 IGCSE 058022. Now we got the first question. The first question just wants you to get the angle. We want this angle. What you have to do is you will have to use the protractor. This is a device in this fashion. It can either be in plastic or in metal. The measurement is running from 0 to 180 degrees. If you were to use this right over here with the center exactly meeting the center of the protractor, you will get this angle to be as 40 degrees. So that is the solution for question number 1. Now question number 2 is this. It is asking you to work out root of 5 multiplied with 6 squared correct to 2 decimal places. Now foremost, root of 5 times 6 squared can be rewritten as root of 5 times 6 squared is 36. Fair enough. Then you go up to a calculator and then you find out what the square root of 5 is. You are getting a value for root of 5 as 2.2360, right? And there is a 6 there, so I'm going to take it as 2.2361. So find root of 5 value. This is going to be step number 2. And after you have found that value out, the next step, which is step number 3. Step number 1 is this. So let me write that down here. Step number 3 is going to be place the value 2.23 61 is multiplied with 36. So go back to your calculator, enter the value 2.2361. Then you multiply it with 36. And what do you get? You get 80.4996. Just write the value down. Now they want you to give them the solution for 2 decimal places. So go back and observe the digits in the section. Right after the decimal place you have a set of digits. Now you want to just round this off to 2 digits. So for that, go to the third one and then find if it is greater than 5. Greater than or equal to 5. That's the best way to say. Clearly 9 is greater than or equal to 5. Convert this to 1 and write the answer as 8.50. So this should be your solution.